In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on Shein and get a refund. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and what to expect after you cancel. First, grab your phone and open the Shein app. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one. A quick check here helps you see the right orders and speeds up the process. From the home screen, look at the bottom of the app and tap Me. This is your account hub where all your personal settings, addresses, and purchases live. Once you're in, tap My Orders. This takes you to your order history with the most recent purchases at the top, which makes it easier to find what you're looking for. To make sure you see the full list, tap View All. This expands your complete order history. Take a moment to scan the list and look at the order status. If it says something like processing, you're more likely to be able to cancel. If it's already shipped or delivered, cancellation may not be available. Now select the order you want to cancel by tapping on it. This opens the order details page. Here, you can quickly double check that you picked the right item, quantity, and color so you don't cancel the wrong thing by mistake. When you're ready, look for the option labeled More and tap it. This reveals additional actions you can take on the order. Next, tap Cancel Order. The app may ask you to confirm your choice or show a brief message about what happens next. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to finalize. After cancellation, you should see a confirmation in the app, and you may receive an email confirming the change. For refunds, the amount typically goes back to your original payment method. Processing time can vary depending on your bank or card issuer, but it usually appears within a few business days. If you used a gift card or store credits, those usually return to the same balance. Keep an eye on your payment account and the order details screen for updates. You'll often see the refund status reflected there. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the cancel order button, it often means the order has moved too far along to cancel. In that case, watch for delivery and review your options within the app afterward. And if you shop often, consider taking a quick screenshot of your confirmation for reference until the refund shows up. That's it. Simple and clear. Open Shein, go to Me, My Orders, View All, select the order, tap More, and then cancel order. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you handle your Shein orders with confidence.